We have studied the difference between helping and serving. Would like to recall it. The model of the world is not accepted in the kingdom. But today, most of the principles used in missions are borrowed from the world. Borrowed from the world. Even churches are using those principles. What is the basic difference? The Lord taught in Luke 22:25. He explains in that verse the worldly model. 22:25.
And he said to them, "The kings of the Gentiles lord it over them, and those who have authority over them are called benefactors."
Look at that. If you want to add little more, turn to Mark's Gospel, 10th chapter, 41 and 42.
And when the 10 heard it, they began to be greatly displeased with James and John. But Jesus called them to himself and said to them, "You know that those who are considered rulers over the Gentiles lord it over them, and their great ones exercise authority over them."
Okay. Now what happens in a society? To begin with, people are at the same level. In the school and colleges, same uniform, not much difference, same thing. But the society has needs also. Various needs, ആവശ്യങ്ങൾ. Maybe medical, teaching, pastors, MLA, MP, police, whatever it is. How do they reach from here there? They climb the ladder. Selection, election, qualification, competition, recommendation, bribing, volunteer, called out, any means they reach there. Once they reach here, the first thing they make rules. So they are called rulers. Parents make rules in the house. When they become parents, immediately rules will be made. Why do we make rules? Mainly it is to protect your personal interest. Personal interest. You can meet me only after 10 o'clock. If you meet me, you have to give 500. If I have to come home and pray for you, 700. If I have to anoint and pray, 1,000. Yes, you can see this. Slowly, it may not be written rules, it becomes convention. Rules are made. 8 മണിക്ക് എല്ലാവരും ഉറങ്ങിക്കോണം, അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് വേണം എനിക്ക് TV കാണാൻ. Rules. So, the rulers exercise authority now. Exercise authority. Rule over them. So they are called, but the need of the people have to be met now from here. Need of the people. They call that as, we give you some benefit. So they are called benefactors. Upagaram. Upagari. Help, helpers. ഇത് മുഴുവനും, all this is from above downward. The one is here the benefactor, the one who receives benefit is here. Why it is difficult to ask for help? Why it is difficult to ask for help? No. You have to stretch your hand. You become lower. പിടിച്ചോ 5 രൂപ. You become വഴി അറിയത്തില്ല. അതിലെ അങ്ങനെ പോയിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ അങ്ങ് പോയാൽ മതി. വെരി ഡിഫിക്കൽട്ട് ടു ആസ്ക്. ഈ പാഠമൊന്നും മനസ്സിലായില്ല ചോദിച്ചാൽ എല്ലാവരും എന്നാ വിചാരിക്കും? ഇനി വന്നേ ക്ലാസ് എടുക്കാം. ഇതെങ്ങനെ കുക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്ന? വാ ക്ലാസ് എടുക്കാം വാ. See, everywhere it is, you are above. The one who receives is below. So it is very difficult for the people here. Your own friend, doctor, it's very difficult for you to go there now. Nalayku va. Immediately there is a difference. And you don't want to go there. You can go to a stranger. So this is the problem in this. So what did the Lord tell? 26th verse, Luke 9 or Mark's Gospel 10:42, 43.
But among you, it will be different.
It will be different, but your translation?
Not so among you.
Not so among you. It's not different, not so among you. It shall not be so among you. Read from Luke's Gospel 22:26.
But it is not this way with you.
See? Finished.
On the contrary.
It shall not be so among you. It shall not be. It's not acceptable. Next comes the next word. On the contrary. What's it?
But the one who is the greatest among you.
How does it begin?
But it is not this way with you.
But it shall not be so among you.
But the one who is the greatest among you must become like the youngest, and the leader like the servant.
Leader like? You have another translation?
Like the one who serves.
Serves. You had immediately translated servant. You had serves. See, introduces a new word called serve. It's still new. They did not know what is this meaning of serve, which has become now ministry, then Uryam, Sisrusha. Sisrusha. Then the Lord said, you don't know it, I will explain to you. 27.
For who is greater, he who sits at the table or he who serves? Is it not he who sits at the table? Yet I am among you as the one who serves.
That they can understand. You go for a meal, you're all sitting, one person is serving. Who is great? വെള്ളം അയാളെ എടുത്തുണ്ടെന്ന് ഇങ്ങനെയാണോടാ സർവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? In the hospital during Christmas season, dinner is there. Ward boys, everybody may sit, doctors will serve. They know it is only for half an hour. But I am among you as one who serves. I am among you as one who serves means I was among you. Am means but when he comes as the King of Kings, how will he be? How will he be? What do you think? When he comes as the King of Kings, what will he be? You think that he'll come as a king. Alle? Luke 12:37.
It will be good for those servants whose master finds them watching when he comes. I tell you the truth, he'll dress himself to serve, will have them recline at the table, and will come and wait on them.
Okay. When he comes as the King of Kings, he is still serving. When you become a leader, you cannot serve. You will only order. You cannot think of doing it. Leave alone leader. Any small work, you want to only order people. There are two jobs available. One job with, say, 20,000 rupees salary, another with 7,000 rupees salary. Which will you take? Definitely 20. 20 is a peon in the bank. The other one is a supervisor. Which will you take now? Salary പോയാലും കുഴപ്പമില്ല. മാനം പോയാൽ. Will that person, if he comes into ministry, will we leave his position? So, serving is from below upward. Then we have studied who is the only person who can serve? A slave. And what is the mortal fear of becoming a slave? 4 things I will lose. What? My decision making, my control, my freedom, my right. You don't want to become a slave. How will you serve? You don't want to become a slave. How will you serve? Do you know the modern way? I have shared it. Cut and paste. Cut and paste. Whatever you do, put the label, I am serving. Or addi kodu, brother, I am serving you, brother. You take your money and go off. I am serving you, brother, that you will not spend more money. And anything you do, it is serving. Mission hospitals write that. Government offices write, help us to serve you. You go to that office, the clerk, board will be behind, the clerk will be putting his leg on the table and sitting. Adutha masam vada. Hospital, help us to serve you. Serving in love. Not a drop of love will be there. Now, we are mortally afraid. How will you slave? How will you become serve? Can we serve? Who is the only person who can freely become a slave? Only who knows his identity. The child of God. Only he knows his identity can become slave. So when you have fear of becoming slave, you do not know your worth of being the son of God, a child of God. You can say it, sing it, but you do not know. That is the test. John 13:3.
Jesus knew that the Father had put all things under his power and that he had come from God and was returning to God.
Putting them together, he knew that he is the Son of God. Then he got up from the table and served them. So, his title is the Servant King. The Servant King. But Christian leaders, in Christendom it is always leadership. Leadership. All the seminars you have attended are, but another new word has been coined, servant leader. But what is the emphasis? Servant. They may servant leadership, some seminars, they may be classes for how to be a servant for half a day. So they may ask them to serve others. Finished. After that day, I wash the feet. Good Friday. Bishop also will do that. Finished, that's all. Yes. Christendom is filled with helping, not serving. We will look at some of the bigger differences later when we come. Paul writes there, we were willing to suffer. We were willing to impart not only the gospel but our own lives also. Suffering is excluded by the helper. No kind of suffering is possible. Earlier, missionaries from south were willing to go to north. First question, will I get idli there? If no idli, I cannot go. So they took even these big stones there. ஆட்டுகள் அதை கொண்டு போயிருக்காங்க இட்லி உண்டாக்குற. Foreign missionaries, when they came to India, many of them built a foreign mission compound which is equal to foreign countries. Recreated the conveniences back there. Many of them. But another group suffered and died here. When we came into this place, none of the houses even had gas stove. It was all firewood. So first introduction was gas stove. One house. And soon every house had gas stoves. No vehicle for anyone. Now the place you cannot move, it's all vehicles. It's all progress. Yes? So what has happened in the course of time? The will of the patient has gone up. Gone up. If we spend the money there for our own growth, it is destructive growth.